Amazing morning! I am a woman who likes to take care of herself. I have so many friends who drink amazing pure organic barley. Thank God, wala pa naman, but prevention is better than cure. Kamusta ba ang effect? But, I feel great. Sa dami ng trabaho ko at lumipas ang COVID era, hindi po tayo nagkasakit. And thank you talaga. I can say itong products kasi, masasabi mong puro, authentic, at saka organic. If you want to start a healthy lifestyle, kailangan simulan nyo dito sa amazing pure organic barley. Consistency is the key. Kailangan makasanayan nyo yan at makikita nyo ang effect. I am Aramina and I am worldwide.
Yung bad good cholesterol ko. Yung LDL or bad cholesterol ay 197. So talagang napakataas, no? So yung non-HDL ko cholesterol 230. So makikita po ninyo, no, lahat napakataas, no? Napakataas ng aking lipid profile.
Good morning.
So din yun, medyo hindi na maganda pakiramdam ko, no? So pumunta ako dun sa doktor, no? At binigyan niya ako ng mga gamot. Ito yung mga gamot na binigay sa akin. Makikita mo, ang dami niyan, no? Every time na mag-take ako ng gamot na yan, nahihilo ako, no? Nahihilo, sobrang hilo ko niyan sa umaga. So nung dumating yung barley sa akin, ayan, nung December yan, nung pag-join ako sa Kayam, nag-try ako ng barley. Dahil nga sa sobrang taas ng blood cholesterol, dapat sabi ng doktor sa akin, dapat sa hospital ka na, no? Sabi ko, Dok, tinry ko to yung barley, mukhang gumanda yung pakiramdam ko eh. So ayun, nung na yon, after 2 months, 3 months, kasi every 3 months nagpapa-lab laboratory ako. Makikita nyo yung sa taas, kung kailan ako nagpa-laboratory, noong February 28 yan, 2022, recipe lang, no? Itong taon lang. So, dahil sa nag-take ako ng barley, no? Ito lang, oh. Ito, ayan na itong solution, nakikita nyo sa baba, yung sa pula, yung total cholesterol ko sa 103. Ayan, makikita nyo sa baba ko, no? Ayan. 103 ang aking total cholesterol. Tapos bumagsak ang aking triglyceride, no? Naging 114. Oh, so bumaba siya, no? Tapos makikita nyo rin diyan yung aking ayan, makikita nyo sa nakapula, no? Bumagsak din ang aking good cholesterol, no? Ang bad cholesterol ko bumagsak din, naging 46. So sa nakaraan napakataas, di ba? So yung non-HDL cholesterol ko naging 69. So nakikita po ninyo, no, sa picture na yan, no? Kung gaano kalakas ang barley. Kung gaano kalakas ang barley, ang nakitulong ng barley sa akin eh. So, yung experience ko, noong bago ako magpa-laboratory, no, noong December na yan, muntik na ako talaga madala sa hospital. Naramdaman ko na eh. So, ang dami ng na nangyari sa buhay ko eh. Hindi lang kasi bad cholesterol yung meron ako, marami na rin akong naramdaman ng sakit dahil nga tumatanda, sabi nga nila, no. I'm 61 years old na po ako, no, itong April. So, 61 years old na po ako. Medyo tumatanda na rin, marami na rin na naramdaman. Pero, ang good news dito sa atin, no, sa I Am Worldwide, ito yung pinaka the best, no? Ang pure organic barley, ito talaga ang malaking tulong sa akin, ano? Hindi lang sa akin kundi sa pamilya ko. Ngayon, yung hindi lang naman sa pamilya ko kundi sa mga kaibigan ko, ano, mayroon akong kaibigan na nag-take ng barley, no? Before siya, 3 days pag gumagamit ng insulin. Sabi niya sa akin, sir, sabi niya, diabetic, gumagamit ako ng insulin 3 times a day. So sabi ko, try mo yung barley. So nag-try siya, after 2 weeks, sabi niya sa akin, bumalik, punta ng bahay. At sabi sa akin, sir, gumanda yung pakiramdam ko sa barley, na binigyan mong barley. Dalawang box pa lang yun. Ngayon, ang sabi niya sa akin, hindi na siya hinihingal. So, kukuha sa uli, no? Yun, binigyan ko ulit siya ng barley. Hanggang sa nagpa-member siya. Ang pinaka-good news, nung after na paggamit niya, after 3 months, ang sabi niya sa akin, hindi na siya masyadong gumagamit ng insulin, ano? At nakakapag-bike na siya, malayo na yung nararating niya, no? At nagpapasalamat sa akin. So, Kahapon, pumunta siya ng bahay, no? Nung nagbisita siya, kasi meron siyang product na pinabili sa akin, no? Ang sabi niya sa akin, alam mo ba, mentor, sabi niya sa akin, one sachet na lang ako ng barley every day. Isang sachet na lang sa every day. Sabi ko, ano nangyari sa, ano mo, sa sugar mo? Sabi niya, wala na, bumagsak na lahat, talagang nag-level na. Sabi niya, yun ang sabi niya sa akin nung nagpunta ka sa bahay nung isang araw. So, good news talaga, no? Talagang, ako hindi makapaniwala eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, totoo ba yan? Sabi niya, oo, talagang, hindi na ako gumagamit ng insulin, wala na. Kahit gamot, hindi na siya gumagamit, no?
So, siya ay isa ng 91 years old ngayon. So, after nung mga 80s, sinabi ng doktor na meron na naman blockage sa kanyang artery sa puso na malaki, 3 blockage actually yon. But she cannot undergo another angioplasty or kind of any open surgery heart o open heart surgery dahil sa edad niya. So, yan po. Ako naman, so I met this friend who introduced me this barley, this amazing barley. Ay sinubukan ko mismo sa sarili ko. So, a while ago, I was telling you that I was diagnosed from Crohn's gastritis. Sabi sa akin ng doktor na pag hindi ako nag-take o undergo ng proper treatment, then I will suffer cancer after 5 years. Yun ang sabi ng doktor sa akin. So, wow. Syempre, nagulat tayo doon, di ba? Mahirap yata magka-cancer. Oh my. Kaya medyo kinabahan ako. So, itong kaibigan ko na ito, sabi niya na ito daw mabisa. And then, nag-undergo din ako ng in-invite ako ng isang friend at sinabi, narinig ko yung kung ano yung mga benefits ng barley, pero hindi ako naniwala doon. Sinawa ko, imbes na ininom ko yung gamot na ibinigay sa akin ng doktor ko, ang ininom ko po ay itong amazing barley. I started taking or drinking barley twice, 2 sachets every day. Then after 1 month, bumalik ako doon, nagpatingin ako, at yun nga, I underwent yung para sa test na para malaman kung okay na yung yung tiyan ko. So, sabi na ulit ng doktor, balik ka after this, malalaman ng resulta, blah, blah, blah. To make the story short, nung bumalik ako doon para alamin yung result ng aking test, ang sabi ng doktor, omedeto, congratulations, nagamot ka na, but you have to undergo this endoscopy every year to make it sure na wala na talaga, sabi niya. Oh, maganda pala yun. Sabi, oh, thank you po. But actually, hindi ko na lang sinabi na hindi ko ininom yung gamot niya, but I drank this amazing barley that we have. Doon ko naalala yung nanay ko. Dinalikan ko yung nanay ko kasi kailangan kong subukan muna. And then I offered it, I let my mother try it. Kaya pinadalhan ko siya ng maraming box ng barley. So kinumusta ko siya after 10 days, kumusta na yung allergy mo? Sabi niya, ay anak, nawala na. Tapos alam mo, gumaan na yung aking ulo, nawala na yung hilo ko, yung bigat ng ulo ko, nawala na din. Nakakalakad na ako ngayon, sabi niya. Kaya yun, dahil sabi niya, anak, iba talaga yung naramdaman ko ngayon. Salamat talaga sa barley mo, sabi niya. Ngayon, nag-e-enjoy na siya at syempre, makulit, gusto niya na maglaba, gusto niya na siya magluto, at saka gusto niya, ayaw na niyang gamitin yung tungkod niya. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, wag. Kasi kailangan gumamit kayo ng tungkod ninyo, ha? Sabi ko sa kanya, at wag na lang kayong maghugas. Pero yan, iba kasi yung saya natin na yung nanay mo na 91 years old na wala na nag-aalaga sa kanya doon sa probinsya, halos kasi wala na kami doon, yung mga kapatid ko nandun sa ibang sa Bulacan, wala na rin siya doon, at yun, walang nag-aalaga sa kanya. Kaya pero ang nanay ko kahit ganyan, sabi niya, ayan, makakapunta na ako ng mag-isa sa sa toilet ulit, ganyan. At wala na pong hindi ko yung ma-describe kung gaano, hindi ko man maalagaan ang nanay ko, nabigyan ko siya, nashiran ko siya ng barley, at ngayon ay nakakalakad ulit siya, na-enjoy niya ulit yung kanyang buhay na hanggang sa sandali man lang. At ang isa pa, napakasarap na po ang tulog niya. Kaya po ngayon, ang nanay ko po ay tuloy-tuloy na umiinom ng barley.
Tony Fernandez, and I'm a 16-year cancer survivor, breast cancer, ductal carcinoma in situ, stage 2B po ang diagnosis sa akin. And 16 years ago, I thought I was going to die, except that I discovered this amazing product, which is available now in I Am Worldwide, among many other amazing products. And quick background po, in 2001, I was diagnosed and I was told that I would have less than 6 months left to live. And at that time, my daughter was only 6 years old. And syempre, like every mom, I was scared and really wanted to extend as much as possible my life. And so I went along with everything that the doctors told me to do. I was told I would need to do 4 cycles of chemotherapy and 6 weeks of continuous radiation therapy. And then I would only have 60 to 70% chance of surviving of 5 years. So of course, it was a very scary time of my life, and I did my own research aside from listening to what the doctors told me I should do, which I did. All the diet changes, the exercising, the lifestyle, lahat po ng sinabi nila, ginawa ko. I did it all. And in spite of all that, I also decided to do my own research. And online, I discovered the beauty of herbal products. And in a process of elimination, I discovered that the king of all herbal supplements is, of course, the young barley powder. So, in a nutshell, after a whole year of treatments, I discovered within that year that as soon as I started taking the barley, my immune system started to get much better, much quicker. And during my first chemotherapy, I was like a vegetable for almost 21 days. And my doctors told me that if I didn't make the cut, if I didn't recover 100%, by the 21st day, I would not be allowed to take my second treatment cycle of chemotherapy, which would then bring me back to 0, meaning I would have to restart the 4 chemos all over again instead of just continuing to the second, the third, and the fourth, and then graduate na. So I really did everything I could, but during the first chemo, right after, my body couldn't take the toxicity of the chemotherapy, and I ended up in reverse isolation in the hospital, in the ICU. And that is when I did all the research and discovered barley on the net, and I started taking it. Shortly after I was put into the ICU, I was able to recover, and I continued taking it throughout my second, third, and fourth chemotherapy, and discovered that instead of getting really ill after my second chemotherapy, I recovered 4 days after I was infused with the chemo. And I didn't do anything different. I asked the doctors if they had lowered the dose or of the drugs that they infused into me, and they said no. So I knew that it must be the barley, because it's the only thing different that I had done. I continued to do it, and I noticed that my immunity would recover so much faster, my body would recover so much quicker. And throughout my chemotherapy, I pretty much breezed through it for the rest of it. And then when I did my radiation therapy of 6 weeks, not once did I get burnt or blistered skin. So that's how amazing the product is. And I never stopped taking it. And every single day since then, I've been taking it, and I have amazing testimonies on myself about it, because such things as my doctor told me that I would never be able to have children again. 3 years after my menstrual cycle stopped because of the chemotherapy, my period came back and I was able to have a son. So there are many other things that I believe is a result of my taking the barley every day. Like, I am 48 years old, and I know that I probably don't look 48 because I know that barley has an anti-aging effect. It's good for the skin and the hair and your overall well-being, because you're just more energized, you have a better quality of life overall. It helps you get rid of bad habits. If you're a smoker or you like to drink alcohol, then it's perfect because it helps you, it helps your body recover all the vitamins and minerals that you lose when you do those habits. And aside from that, we have the environment where here in the Philippines, it's very polluted and stressful. The lifestyle is very stressful. And I've always believed that if you take care of yourself, then, you know, everything else will follow. So that's my testimony on barley. And the business side of it, of course, is that I am worldwide, and Herbal, which is my company, decided to partner because we wanted to reach more people. They have a saying that the people that go to drugstores are sick people. And of course, the main thrust of Herbal on its own was to reach the sick and help them recover, because that's what it did for me. Barley helped me recover during a very difficult time of my life. And I wanted to do the same for everybody else who could possibly be going through what I did. I didn't realize that it would cover so many more sicknesses, not just cancer, from high blood pressure to diabetes to, you know, just simple things like having a regular bowel movement every day, being able to have a good restful sleep at night, and just to have the energy to get through your stressful day. It really, really does wonders, and it works for me, and it's worked for many millions of people since I started producing it and bringing it into the country. And now we are reaching even more people through I Am Worldwide, not just sick people, but people who can actually prevent themselves from getting sick. And that is our thrust here. That is our main motto in the company, is to be able to, you know, help prevent people from getting sick. And so I invite you all to come to I Am Worldwide and listen to our, not only what amazing products we have, but also to our amazing marketing plan. And if you think you want to be part of a fast-growing, enigmatic company, then I suggest you come and join in. Thank you, and God bless you all.